first pimple.
So what are your influencers saying?
Lots of things. But my OG, original influencer, is you.
So my OG advice is,
Made with 100% naturally derived neem. It is soap-free and paraben-free. Removes pimples, makes skin healthy. Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. The original solution for pimple.
You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड के संगमा ने शनिवार को कहा कि सरकार ने शिलांग शहर को समग्र रूप से नया स्वरूप देने के साथ साथ सौंदर्यीकरण और भीड़भाड़ कम करने के उद्देश्य से विभिन्न बुनियादी ढांचा परियोजनाओं को लागू करने के लिए करीब 25 एकड़ भूमि की पहचान की है। पीडब्ल्यूडी, शहरी मामलों, वन और पर्यावरण विभाग के अधिकारियों के साथ मुख्यमंत्री ने पीडब्ल्यूडी कार्यालय, फान नोंगलेट पार्क, बारिक पॉइंट पर ब्राइटवेल बंगला, अंजलि पॉइंट और पोलो का निरीक्षण किया। उन्होंने कहा, सरकार शिलांग की सौंदर्य अपील को बढ़ाने और निवासियों को अधिक सार्वजनिक स्थान प्रदान करने के लिए नए पैदल मार्ग, एक हराभरा पार्क और मनोरंजक स्थान विकसित करने की योजना बना रही है। उन्होंने कहा कि मेघालय की समृद्ध और विविधता को प्रदर्शित करने के लिए संग्रहालय और अन्य सांस्कृतिक केंद्र स्थापित किए जाएंगे। विरासत। उन्होंने कहा कि बारिक पॉइंट पर एक प्रतिष्ठित संरचना बनेगी जिसमें शहर के विभिन्न हिस्सों से दिखाई देने वाला एक राष्ट्रीय ध्वज स्थापित किया जाएगा जो एकता और गौरव का प्रतीक हो।
Yeah, I remember. Kungaro Hills only. So he used to stay here. So he used to come as small children. I was like, what, 11 years old. So I've been in this bungalow from that time. I mean, not lived, but seen it. So I... Yeah. And then said, a nice restaurant, some cultural aspect, some part can be. So whoever runs this place, a private sector only, will lease it out to private sector or whatever, give a management contract. I'll speak to the police. I am looking. We'll show the design first. Badminton courtyard is there earlier, so that part we are planning to. Oh yeah. So which part is So wherever the children's park is here, like this is here. This one is there. That will be there. Yeah, I'm going to build up anything. Just provide space for. That for the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barik point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here, we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. So that is what the plan is for the Barik point out here, and we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city. Comprehensive plan to maximize the utility of the land and the government space that we have in the city. Another example is the Brightwell Bungalow, which is right behind me. As you're aware that this is again in a very strategic location and heart of the city, and our intention is to convert this area without disturbing the trees out here. There's enough open space. We clear it up and convert this into a parking lot and work towards how we could keep the bungalow and convert that also into something of a public utility where tourists maybe can come in and different utilities can be given to the people. So in a location like this, if we have a parking lot out here which could accommodate close to about 200 to 300 vehicles, so entire congestion around here, Pine Mount School, the Secretariat, the Sosotham, and other offices which are around here, the parking can be in this place rather than on the roads, which ultimately leads to the congestion that we have. So this is again one part, and we expect that in this area also, in about a matter of few months, we should be able to start the work to flatten this place and create this into a parking space, so that we'll have more space for the for cars to park, and which will lead further to the decongestion of our city. And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital, so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot, so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shillong.